How to remove followers all at once on Instagram. Open your Instagram application and sign in to your account. Then go to profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now on the section, if you have a lot of followers, then in order to remove all at once on Instagram, you just have to go to profile and tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and here under more information and support section, tap on help. Tap on report a problem and here you can select report problem without checking. Here if you want to include complete logs and diagnostic, you can tap on it, otherwise tap on include and continue button, and here you can briefly explain what happened or what's not working. On this section you can simply write hello Instagram team, help me to remove followers all at once on Instagram. You can also tap on upload button and upload the Instagram's followers list which you have. Then tap on send button at the top right corner of the screen. Then once you have sent a report to Instagram will find solution for you and help you to fix your issue. So you just have to wait for 24 hours or less than that. Then after that you can easily fix your issue and remove all the followers all at once. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.